Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade our algorithm fired off throughout the session. Let's jump right into it. Market news. We had a steady stream of catalysts today. At 10 a.m., construction spending numbers hit the wire, followed by comments from FOMC member Bowman. Then at 10:10 a.m., we got the latest IBD Economic Optimism reading. And after the close, CrowdStrike reported earnings, adding a little extra noise to the after-hours tape. Overnight session. Overnight trading was quiet, with the Nasdaq drifting lower, as investors continued to show frustration and hesitation. Our algorithm opened the session with a short position, right off the bat, but as the Asian markets came online, momentum shifted slightly to the upside. That upward pressure forced our short to close out for a loss. Morning session. As Europe opened, sentiment improved. The Nasdaq began recovering from the overnight lows. Our robot closed the remaining short for a small loss and immediately flipped long. But at 8:30 a.m., the market dipped on incoming data. That pullback triggered our long to close for a profit, not only covering most of the earlier loss, but tightening our realized drawdown to just $44. The 9:30 a.m. U.S. Open. At the opening bell, the market edged higher. Tech stocks bounced, and Bitcoin reclaimed $89,000, adding a bit of tailwind to risk assets. Our robot capitalized on the early volatility with a quick trade, reducing realized losses further to $35. At 10 a.m., construction spending numbers were released. The market dipped briefly, but recovered almost immediately. Then at 10:10 a.m., the IBD Economic Optimism Index came in at 47.9, up from 43.9 previously. But despite the improvement, the market dipped again. Our algorithm seized the opportunity for a clean scalp, bringing realized losses down to just $18. Afternoon session. Through the afternoon, momentum faded. The Nasdaq gradually lost steam, trading in a choppy range. Right before the closing bell, our robot fired off two quick scalping trades. One loss, one win, ultimately pushing our total realized loss to $76 for the day. After hours brought no additional economic data. And aside from CrowdStrike's earnings, tech earnings were quiet. CrowdStrike whips sawed a bit on its release, but its impact on the Nasdaq index was minimal, and that wrapped up our busy Tuesday trading session. Summary. Our algorithm finished the day with a $76 loss. It was a challenging environment for swing trades, with directional moves lacking follow-through across sessions. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.